Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I have a laptop is Lenovo model Lenovo V145-15 ASTU model. This model laptop. Now I will reinstall the Windows, and this laptop have original Windows. You can see here is the sticker for Windows 10. So now I will reinstall this. You can see here the sound not working and Wi-Fi not showing, have some issue. So you can reset or you can reinstall the Windows. So how can you reset? Press the shift and restart the computer, and restart the computer. You can see the option. So press shutdown, press shift key, and you can see the reset option. Okay, this option is coming. Go to the troubleshoot and go to the advanced or the reset option. So the advanced, you can find here the recovery option. Okay, system image recovery. If you have, if you don't have, you go to the reset this PC and it will be resetting everything. And you can see the next option is coming, and you can see here the option, the user recovery image, and if you have the password, put the password. If you don't have the password, just press the next, and you can see here is the option. So if this option is not working, go again troubleshoot and go to the reset this PC and keep my file or remove everything. If you want to keep your file, keep here. If you remove everything, press here, and coming the next option to cloud download or local reinstall. The first one is downloading for the internet, second one the local reinstall for the reset option, and just only the drive install Windows. If you press this one, is firstly will be clear and install. If you all drive, it take long time. So press this only the remove just my file. Okay, and then press enter, and now take time to reset your computer, maybe 1 hour and 2 hours. Okay, now reset. Okay, now, and you can see now is resetting this option. So this way you can complete reset your PC, or another way you can install the Windows from the USB drive. Hello guys, now another way I show you how to reinstall the Windows. You have to make the bootable USB and Windows 10, and then press power key and the F10 plus shift for the boot menu, and then you can see USB bootable device and press enter. You can see here is the bootable 64-bit Windows loading. And now here United States, next, and install now. And then next, and custom install Windows only, and delete all this option, all the partition you can delete. See, delete all this. So this is the C partition, I have to delete all, and also here is the recovery partition, this. Okay, and then make the new partition, apply. Okay, and then press next to reinstall the Windows. Now installing the Windows is take time because this hard disk is HDD, not SSD. So guys, you can see almost our computer is Windows setup done. So select language and yes, United States, and then next option and US keyboard and yes. And if you want another layout, skip, no need. So here I don't have internet connection, and continue with limited setup. So this option, no need to type your any internet connection, offline setup. So if you want password, keep password. I don't want password, just press next, next option, and accept again, and almost done the computer. So now we'll be open and finish.